Hello, and welcome to a video tutorial series for Cascade Acoustics. Today's topic will be creating shortcuts. To start off with, let's talk about what a shortcut is. In Microsoft, a shortcut is simply a link that points to a computer program or data folder somewhere on your PC, laptop, or somewhere on the network or even the internet. Shortcuts can be customized to help you find a program or folder and placed where you want it. Shortcuts are most often found on a desktop or in the taskbar, but they can be created almost anywhere. Simply put, they're an easy way to get to data you want without having to hunt around and click down through menus. If you do make the choice to store files and folders on your desktop and something happens to your Windows profile, that data is lost forever. Also, if someone needs to log on to your PC or laptop, they cannot access your desktop, and any data that you might have stored there, they will not be able to get to. Most importantly, for us and our company workflow, items on your desktop are not synchronized with Dropbox or OneDrive, and therefore cannot be kept updated and accessible in the job data folder. For Office PCs, the desktops are not backed up at all. There are many ways of creating shortcuts. We will only be going over one of them. If you find somewhere where this method does not work for you, please contact me and we'll work out a way to get you a link. The drag and drop method. On a PC or laptop, if you open the File Explorer and go to anywhere that you have data that you want to have a link, let's say the Downloads folder in this example. If you right click and hold down the button, drag it onto the desktop, when you let go, you will get this menu. You left click on Create Shortcut here. I now have a shortcut. If I wanted to rename it, it does not affect the folder. So I can go in and rename. We can take out the shortcut and it can just be Downloads like that. Easy. And most of your data is in your Dropbox account. The easiest way to find that, to get your shortcuts, is on the Dropbox icon down here by the clock. Double click. It will open your Dropbox folder. Go into you. Let's say the CCC project folder. I want a shortcut for it on my desktop. Again, right click, hold, drag, release, left click on Create Shortcut here. Let's say I want the production tracking folder inside here. I do the exact same thing. Right click, hold, release, create shortcut here, production tracking shortcut. I can then rename this one and take out that portion. And then I go to the front and say CCCC production tracking, and boom. When I hit enter is what it takes to rename it and make it so that I can either go here and see it. Oh, oops, let's close it. Go here and it sees it. Go here and it goes straight to there. That's it. For questions or to report issues with this video, or if you would like to see other videos on other work-related topics, please contact me via company email or cell phone and let me know. Thank you for watching.